friends, it's Peg, and I have been playing all month for the month of June with artist trading cards, and I guess it's still in my blood. But I got to share with you, I got some new stuff from Gina B. Aaron's Designs. They're art journal stencils and stamps, and these are just too stinking cute, right? These are cool because they're small, and you get 4 different designs on here. And then this one, I can pat myself on the back. I was talking to Gina one day, excuse me for the rattle rattle, and I said, how about some stencils that match the stamps, right? Yeah. She said, oh, that sounds pretty cool. So I thought, yeah, it has to go this way. Get it going the right way, you'd be in business, Peg. This is really cool because now I can stamp and mask and do everything. And what I want to do is cut this little fella out because this is my mask. Now you can just come in here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. And I'm actually going to get my scissors and cut this guy in some places that count because I want to mask. You guys are probably all horrified at what I'm doing here. Just trust me. It will all work out. I think it will anyway. Okay, so I got one more little cut over here. And where is he still attached? He's still attached over here. So I need to cut that away. And there he is. There's my little turtle. And there's my mask. Okay. So, what does that mean? Well, now I have more things that I can apply color with. So if I want to come to my artist trading card, say, and I want to put this sea turtle on here, I have a place that is all masked off. And I can take my ink and I can go ahead and apply that to the background. Right? Fun, okay? So now I have that much done. I can also take this piece and lay it in there, and I can add more color. But before I do that, everything is lined up for where I want it to be. I've got my stamp here, so I'm going to take my black archival and I'm just going to stamp that. I just can't see through that block. It's too big. Let me get a different block. I think that's my problem, is the block I'm using. So let me change that. All right, try this one more time. Line that up. Now I should be able to see where I'm stamping. I'm going to set that right down in the impression and stamp like so. And there you can see I have my sea turtle colored and the outline already done. And if I want more color, I can just place this back, and I can get my little mask. Where's my mask? Lost my mask. It's under the ink. Okay, put that up. Put this up. And now I want to add some bright green. So I'm going to get the citron out. And put this guy back in place. I keep moving it around. You can tape this down. I'm just, being lazy and not doing that. I'm going to put this back in here like this. Get my tool with the Twisted Citron Distress Oxide, and I'm going to, whoops, see, I just touch it. Why don't you tape it, Peg? Because you're too lazy to do it, that's why. Okay, and I'm going to put some of that right into the back, and a little bit on the flipper of my sea turtle, okay? And see what nice layering I can get? Can you see that? Isn't that cool? So what I'm going to do when I store this, now I have to clean that Distress Oxide off because you don't want that to stay on there. So I'm going to just take my wipe and hit that with the Distress Oxide. But in order to store that, I'm just going to grab a couple of Post-it notes. Oops. Because they're sticky on here. And I'm just going to sticky that right in place so it doesn't come out. And I don't lose that. And then I can still use the rest of this stencil to add some more things here. So I can come back fold that over. Okay, I can come back with that Distress Oxide ink that I had. And I'm just going to put a little bit of that down here on the bottom. And clean that off. And have some more seaweed. Here's the stamp block. bugs and fishes, everybody. Remember, be kind and you make a difference. Bye for now.